Our topic is ideal gas equation in gases in thermal physics. We have discussed about the real gas and the ideal gas, and now we are going to discuss about the ideal gas equation. The ideal gas equation is an equation which relates all the properties of an ideal gas. So as we have discussed that ideal gas relates or obeys all the gases, and now this ideal gas obeys Charles' law, Boyles' law and Avogadro's law. First, according to the Boyles' law, this is the Boyles' law equation. PV is equal to constant. So, you are taking it as first equation. Second, according to Charles' law, P, that is V by T, is equal to constant. That is second equation. According to Avogadro's law, V by N is equal to constant. That is the third equation. So, these are the laws of Boyle's law. So, they get that is pressure, volume, temperature and number of molecules or atoms are going to relate with each other. So, for this they are taking PV is equal to constant, first equation. V by T is equal to constant, second equation. V by N is equal to constant, third equation. After combining these laws, that is the 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, that is this one, 1, 2 and 3, first equation, second equation and third equation, you are combining. So, while combining, you are getting PV by NT. That is equal to constant. This is the fourth equation. 3.4 is the fourth equation. So, you are combining the three laws, Charles' law, Boyle's law and what law? Avogadro's law. So, while combining it, PV, that is PV is equal to constant. V by T is equal to constant. V by N is equal to constant. So, which can be written as PV by NT. Okay. So, it is called, that is PV by NT is the fourth equation. So, the above relation, so this relation, it is called as combined law of gases. If you consider a gas which contains mu moles of the gas, so you are considering a gas which has mu moles of a gas, the number of atoms contained will be equal to the mu times the average, that is Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is denoted as Na here. So, N. So, here in this N is denoted as mu Na. Mu Na. So, you can written as PV is equal to, here N, no, instead of writing N, you can write mu Na T. Okay, mu Na is nothing but the number of atoms contained equal to the mu times of the Avogadro's number. Okay, so because of writing N, instead of writing this N, PV by NT, you can write it as PV by mu NAT is equal to constant. Okay. The value of the constant in the above equation is taken as Kb, that is this constant, no, this value they are taking it as Kb, which is called as Boltzmann constant. So, Boltzmann constant, and its the value is 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Okay. So, keep it in mind, this they can ask in your 1 mark, 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 joule per Kelvin. So, hence we have the following equation. So, now we are taking this instead of here, that is PV by mu Na T is equal to constant, no. So, here instead of writing constant, you can write this Kb. So, that only they had written here, PV by mu Na T is equal to Kb. So, that is PV is equal to, so you are bringing this here. Okay, here means you can write it as mu Na Kb T, like this. So, hence the mu Na Kb is equal to R. So, you can take this one, this is equal to R, that is mu Na Kb is equal to R, and you can return the value, that is the gas, universal gas constant. The R is termed as the universal gas constant. So you can write it as 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. So joule per mole per Kelvin, that is the gas constant whose value is, that is universal gas constant whose value is 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin, and it can, now you can write it as PV is equal to RT. So the RT means for this mu NA B, that is RT. So now PV is equal to RT. This is the ideal equation. So ideal equation is also called as equation of state because it gives the relation between the state variables and it is used to describe the state of any gas. So what we can say, the ideal gas, the state of equation, there is a relationship between the state variables and to describe the state of any gas. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.